Hey YouTube, today we're working on 2005 BMW and we're going to change the backup bulb. First we need to access the trunk and remove the carpeted panel behind the light assembly. There's two push pins in there with a little flathead screwdriver head. So we just turn them counterclockwise until they come out. You can do them with your finger or a small screwdriver or a quarter. Basically, those ones there, you just turn them a quarter turn and then they'll wiggle out. Now we want to lift up the spare tire pad. Just hold it up out of the way. We reach down. You can just pull the corner that's closest to the bumper. Just lift up on it. Swing the carpeted piece out of the way. Now the backup bulb is right here. This guy. We just grab a hold of that and it just pulls out. Then we just grab the bulb itself, pull it back. New bulb just fits in. That's it. Line it back up with the hole. Snap it into place. Grab the carpeted piece. We're going to line a couple of tabs up here. One there and one above. And then just swing it back into place. Grab our two push pins. Put them in. Quarter turn, holds them in. That's it. Thanks for watching.